How to get a Gmail account on launch X431 ProS version 5.0. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, your ultimate hub for automobile diagnostic tools and programmers. Smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and show some love with a super thanks. One customer wanted to access Gmail on his launch X431 ProS version 5.0 Elite, but he failed. He could access from anywhere with the existing Gmail account, but the scanner. When he tried to set up the app on the scan tool, it asked for his email address and password, and then it told him, problem with account setup, username or password incorrect. He couldn't download the Gmail app from Play Store because the Play Store is not loaded on the tablet. He tried to download the Play Store first, but could not manage to do that either. All it said is, this Google account is not yet associated with a device. Please access the Play Store app on your device before installing apps. Even trying to do it manually leads to the same message. He wanted to know how to get a Gmail account on the Mail app. Here is the method to solve the problem. 1. Download App Pure and install it. 2. Download Outlook and Firefox browser. Install the deleted email APK that is on launch X431 tablet and set up Outlook. Outlook even comes up on the Sharing tab. When you share a report, select Outlook Works. Then the Gmail will work perfectly. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, and hit that super thanks button. Until next time, happy diagnosing.